Hello, welcome to my channel, and now I will show you how to solve the problem if your telephone receive text SMS messages but you can hear the sound. So what you have to do, this is a solution for all Oreo Android system, and especially I will show you on Huawei phones. So what you have to do, go to settings, now go to apps and notification, now go to notification management, and you will see that in my case there is enable notification for every application. If messaging is in your case disabled, you will see here messaging disabled, and you will receive messages and notification for all application but not from messaging. So if you want to receive SMS, when you receive SMS, if you want to receive a sound notification, just go here and press allow notification, and your problem will be solved. You can do, for example, if you don't want to receive notification when you receive some message from Facebook, simply go here and disable notification. So you will receive sound notification for every application except from Facebook. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more, and see you soon.